Hey beautiful, this look is for women on the go using products I got from Sephora Philippines through the first ever Globe online beauty fair where you can shop the world's top beauty brands and get exclusive deals and discounts. I've already prepped my skin, so now we're doing the eyes. When I do my eyeshadow in a hurry, I like to use sparkly, shiny, or anything that reflects light so that it's easier to blend. I'm using Zoeva Opulence palette, and all the other products I'll use in the video is in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Basically, I popped in some warm eyeshadow called Sense of Movement using a pencil or smudge brush on the crease and blended it out with a clean blending brush, and then reapplied a darker eyeshadow called Imperial to define my crease even more. And then as you can see, I'm also smudging this all the way up to the tail of my brows to give my eyes a sexy lift. So that was easy. Now apply a fine line along the eyes. You can use pencil if you like, but right now I'm just loving this Fenty Beauty FLYLINER in the shade Cushion Black. I'm not going to do any dramatic liner today because we only have like 10 minutes for all of this everyday office/work makeup look. Next is to apply false lashes. Ain't got no time for mascara too, so I usually just put on some false lashes for an instant eye opener. Do the same thing on the other side, and just like that, we are almost done. Do your foundation. I'm also not going to bake and do all of this fancy schmancy stuff. You can use a beauty blender if you like. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. I just use a fluffy foundation brush for an airbrush finish. So technically, I just use one layer of a full coverage foundation, blend it out, and then let the full coverage powder do the rest. Now we are going to give our face some definition. I used TheBalm bronzer to warm up the cheeks. The reason why I didn't do my brows yet is because I'm going to brush this on my temples like a crazy woman. So if I've already done my brows, it will all just be a mess at this point. Next is to apply blush. By the way, you can get a 10% discount when you use the code GLOWBEAUTY plus a free Sephora mini lip stain for every purchase. There's also another discount code found in the description box and all the other details, so make sure to check it out. Back to the video, I'm going to do my brows real quick using my favorite Benefit products. Just a quick fill in the gaps using the wax and powder and a really good and sturdy slanted eyebrow brush like this. And then apply lipstick like a boss. This one is from Fenty Beauty once again. I know, like, it's become one of my faves. So it's in the shade called Griselda, which is a warm, deep red lipstick. And then for the finishing touches, just use the same two eyeshadow mixed together and run it along the bottom lash line. And don't forget to highlight with the best-selling Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal. Lastly is to set your face with a Claudali. I'm not sure if I got that right. Claudali, I don't know. And then blot with Fenty Beauty pressed powder, and voila. And here you go. Here's a full face makeup look you can do in just more or less than 10 minutes. And sorry if I was catching my breath and all that stuff because I literally did this look in just 10 minutes or so. So here you go, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, and I'll see you soon. Bye!